I am sure you must have studied the water cycle in lower grades. Isn't it interesting to know how water moves in a complete circle? However, let us look at this process as a biogeochemical cycle. Do you know what happens when the temperature is high? Water molecules from the seas and oceans evaporate. It causes the water to be converted into the gaseous state. What do you think happens up there in the sky? As we have studied in our earlier videos, as the temperature decreases, water vapor then condenses to form droplets. These droplets then form clouds. And do you know what clouds gives us? That's correct. They give us rain, and all the evaporated molecules now come down once again as rain. But wait a minute. Do all these molecules fall directly back into the seas? Of course not. Some molecules find their way into the underground water after seeping into the soil, while some are stored in reservoirs. Other molecules move into freshwater sources like rivers, which then flows into the seas. It seems as if a water molecule has a long way to go before finally meeting the sea. Where all did the water molecule travel? It met the soil and the underground water, that is the lithosphere. It traveled through the hydrosphere in the rivers and the seas, and it even entered the atmosphere as clouds. Wow, it made its way into all three spheres. Thus, this water cycle is also a biogeochemical cycle where the water molecules move through all spheres of the earth. This cycle takes place daily around us, and it's a never-ending one. Thanks to this cycle, without it, we would never have rain or fresh water. In our next video, let us look at how the nitrogen molecules have a cyclical pathway on the earth.